But did this thought never cross your mind कि यार इसके पहले in the beginning of the season Basir and Aves had a fight. Basir and Abhishek literally came like neck to neck each other. Amal has thrown, broken a plate. He's charged on people. Kunika has held you like bal ka prayog has happened at so many incidents. Why particularly this time?
I have the same
Like
question.
a warning could have been given. A nomination, obviously nominate to ab season khatam hone aaya.
Yeah.
So you think they got a little more harsh on you than it was needed to be?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with what you're saying, but at the end of the day, unka game hai, unka decision hai. There's nothing that I can really do right now. I really try to keep my side of the story, and I still stand by it कि वो intentional नहीं था.
Right.
But the decision had been taken.
Yeah, because even Tanya did not react to
Yeah.
the incident. अगर किसी को लगता है at that point in time, how will the person come to know that actually you've ended up hurting the other person if the person is not reacting
Correct.
to it?
And Nawaz, till the weekend का वार मुझे पता नहीं था कि इसको लगी है. Even the people coming and telling me कि I told you, they told me कि तूने मारा है. And मैंने नहीं मारा था, so I would not accept that. If they once told me that यार उसको लगी जाके देख ले, I would have ran to her, I would have apologized. Because I'm the same person who asked Tanya when Farhana broke the plate कि are you okay? I was the one who hugged her जब family week start हो रहा था in the morning and she got emotional and the body shaming thing had just happened before that.
Right.
I'd gone and consoled Farhana also. So if I'm that person जो मेरे दुश्मन है literally, I would still see them in their weak moments and sympathize with them. I would definitely go and apologize if I've unintentionally say but hurt someone. क्योंकि सॉरी बोलने से कोई छोटा नहीं हो जाता है. But I did not know. And knowing the person Tanya Mittal is, she has always made an issue out of things. And she did not this time. Because immediately if you see the clips, she was laughing 2 minutes after that. Ki, oh GK, very nice, this and that. And then later on she went on with her drama. And I genuinely thought it was drama. क्योंकि मुझे नहीं feel हुआ कि उसको impact लगा या जो भी. And it was genuinely not intentional. Kyuki, if you see the video also, I'm standing like this. The weight of the plank was too much for me to handle. My body was sore. And as soon as the task got ended, and of course I was disappointed, I was upset. Ki, 3 people together had to kind of plot against me and get me out of the ticket to finale race. So I threw the plank down. उतने में उसको लग गई, she came behind and stuff like that happened. And I'm still sorry that अगर उसको लगी मेरी वजह से